Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to turn off your comment section on TikTok. TikTok being a very popular app in today's generation, comment section can be very disturbing. So to turn off your comment section, first open the TikTok app, which you can download it from Google Play or App Store based on your device. Now after opening the app, go to the profile section, which should be on your bottommost right corner. And after going there, click on the three lines or dot, which should be on your topmost right corner. After doing that, click on settings and privacy, and then go to privacy. And here you can see a option called comments. Click on that. Now after clicking that, there will be an option called who can comment on your stories and videos. So to turn off the comment section, you have to click on no one. If you want the follower which you follow back to comment, then click on the second option. For today's video, it will be no one. So this was the process of turning off your comment section on TikTok. Now if you find this video helpful, then do like this video and comment any suggestion or queries. And if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you could get notified of our newest upload. Stay tuned as we will be uploading similar kind of content. But for now, thank you for watching.